Prik Kapi is similar to sambal belacan, used as a spicy, fishy fermented dipping sauce. It's enjoyed with a variety of raw vegetables. The perfect dish to cleanse the digestive system with. This recipe is for 12 to 15 servings. The ingredients needed are 40 grams of kapi or shrimp paste, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 40 grams of bird-eye chillies or chili padi kampung, which is spicy type, 4 cloves of garlic peel, 45 grams of turkey berry, pea eggplants or mak kheur puang, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, and 70 grams of palm sugar. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. First, we are toasting the shrimp paste. This brings out a richer fragrance and flavor. I am wearing food-grade gloves to prevent the smell from staining my hands. This is optional. Shape the shrimp paste into a thin flat disc so that the heat can permeate through. By the way, my shrimp paste is not very salty. If your shrimp paste is quite salty, use about 30 grams. Heat a stainless steel pan over medium heat or prepare the grill if available. Toast the shrimp paste for 2 minutes on one side. Then flip it and toast for another 2 minutes on the other side to get a lovely crust. See, it's ready. Remove from the heat and set aside. Add about 3/4 of chili padi kampung and all the garlic in the mortar. Pound them carefully until well smashed and combined, which take about 1 to 2 minutes. Be careful of the chili seed jumping out of the mortar. Alright, it's ready now. Add all the toasted shrimp paste and pound it to mix with the chili and garlic. Scrape the side as needed and continue to pound. It should resemble a thickened paste. Alright, it is done. Now add all the paste sugar or coconut sugar and gently pound to mix the ingredients together. Don't pound too roughly as it can cause the chili mixture to splatter out. Mix it thoroughly, scraping the side. This is looking really good now and the fragrance is so awesome. Add all the fish sauce, cut the limes and squeeze about 2 tablespoons of juice into the mortar. Add most of the turkey berries, leaving a few for garnishing. Gently smash them with the pestle while stirring to mix the lime juice and fish sauce. This can be made ahead of time and kept in the fridge for up to 4 to 5 days. It's coming so well together. Give it a taste with a piece of boiled okra. Very delicious. Now our Prik Kapi is ready to be served. Transfer onto a small serving plate and sprinkle with the leftover chili and turkey berries. Serve with cut up raw green vegetable or ulam of your choice. Today I'm serving mine with raw and boiled long beans, cabbage, round eggplants, turkey berries, bitter gourd, tomatoes, 4 anchor beans, mint leaf, sweet basil leaf, boiled okra and cucumber. Let's eat! So delicious! This is what home tastes like. Very spicy, sour, very rich and umami with so much flavor from the toasted shrimp paste. Makes the vegetables super enjoyable. So good! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!